Yo guys, what's going on? This is Shadow from ByShadow010, and today for my first video is going to be a Java Minecraft coding tutorial, and it's going to teach you how to do this to make something on your screen drag. In this case, it will be a GUI tab. Alright, so first thing you're going to want to do is create a new class. Name it whatever you want. I called mine GUI drag. Then you're going to want to import a couple things. Import org.lwjgl.opengl.gl11. Then import net.minecraft.source font renderer, net.minecraft.source.gui, net.minecraft.source.gui screen. Alright, now once you do that, you're going to want to make your class extend GUI screen. Make two booleans that are both public and static. You can call them whatever you want, but to keep my stuff organized, I'm going to make mine isModeDrag and isModeOpen, set them both to false. Next, make your public static ints mx and my and set them both to 0. This code will be in the description. It'll allow you to draw a very smexy looking draw rect, such as the one right here. Very simple in the way you call it. You just do your 4 coordinates, and then the first color is the color for inside of the rect. Second color is the color for the border, which is very difficult to see, but if I change the color real quick, you'll be able to see that there you go, there is indeed a color. Alright, so first thing you're going to want to do after you make your draw sexy rect is make a void called draw GUI or drag GUI, whichever you want. And in the parameters, it will take one parameter, which is font renderer F. Make your draw sexy rect whatever size you want it to be, and then add, after all the x coordinates, do plus mx, like right here, and for all the y coordinates, do plus my. Now if you're wondering why this is all typed out, I already tried to do a tutorial on this, but it ended up taking a very long time because I screwed up about 15 times, so there you go. I'm just going to start it fresh with all the code already here. Next, you're going to want to make your drawString with shadow. If you want to do it the way I did it, I made it so that when it's dragging, it'll change colors. So as you can see, it's green right now, and it becomes green when it is selected. It becomes blue when it's selected. So if you want to do that, you put isModeDrag, or whatever your first boolean is, and then a question mark, and then your first color that you want it to be when it's dragging, then a colon, your second string, for when it is not dragging. Backslash 2472 is green, backslash 247b is the bluish cyan color. Some quick other colors: backslash 2474 is red, 2475 I think is purple, 2476 is orange, 2477 is gray, 2479 is a really cool blue, 2470 is black, 247F is white. So yeah, hope you got all that. And then just set your x and y coordinates with the added variables that you have up here. And then set your string color, which you don't really need because you're changing this, but you still need to set a variable. Next, make your public void mouse moved or up. 3 ints, very simple. Then say if k equals 0, isModeDrag equals false. Now make a public void draw screen, int ij and float f. Then you're going to want to call drag GUI with font renderer as your parameter here, which is what you made up here. Type in mode drag just like this with parameters I and j. You will make this later. You will get an error until you make it down here. Then do super.drawScreen. Next, make public void mouse clicked ij and k for your parameters. And now you want to copy your void here, not void, your rect here, paste it down here, and then put comments. And now you can copy this first one, paste it here, and then type less than I, and your third thing here, which is your next x value, paste it here, is greater than I, and copy paste your first y is less than j, and copy paste your last y is greater than drag. Open that up and then put is drag mode equals true. Next, type super.mouseClicked ijk. Now, finally, for your mode drag, takes two parameters, I and j, and then you type if is mode drag mx equals I minus 50, my equals j minus 5. Now, what this is doing is it's basically setting the position to the dead center of your draw rect. If you do not like this, then you will need to find another way to make it so that it just selects where your mouse is. I'm not going to be teaching you that in this tutorial because I'm sure a lot of people that are Java Minecraft coders will be mad at me for releasing that kind of code, so I'm not going to do that because I don't want to get flamed. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, throw them down in the description. If this video gets 3 likes, I'll say, just because it's my first video, then I will include the whole class in the description. If it does not, when I first post the video, I will put the draw sexy rect, just because you're going to need that for the class, because I don't think you guys need to type this out, because I haven't explained how to make it or what it does. Alright, so, get 3 likes on this video, you get the whole class in the description, so you can copy-paste that like the little skids that some of you will be. If you guys do want to copy-paste this to look at the code yourself, then by all means, go for it. So thanks for watching, guys. If this video helped you in any way, then please leave a like and a comment saying how awesome it was. If this video did not help you, or you had questions, concerns, problems, leave a comment and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next video.